You've built a business doing what you love. The clients are coming in and the income is growing. And still, it feels kind of like you're guessing. What can I actually afford? Can I hire? Should I raise my rates? Hi there, I'm Samantha Eck, a bookkeeper and CFO for creative service providers who've outgrown DIY and are ready to step into their next level. I help you understand your numbers so that you can make bold financial decisions without second guessing a damn thing. On this channel, you'll learn how to make sense of your books, track what actually matters, build profit without burnout, all in a way that works for you, the visionary, the creative, the founder who wants clarity and momentum, not just another spreadsheet that they can ignore and forget about. If you're just getting started with your financial journey, download my free QuickBooks setup guide. It'll walk you through how to set up your bookkeeping the right way. And if you're ready to start leading with data instead of guesswork, download my free Strategic Success mini workshop. It helps you to start connecting your goals with your business so that you can grow it in sustainable ways. You don't boost profits by penny pinching. You do it by knowing your numbers, leading with strategy, and building a business that works for you. Subscribe now and let's turn your financial chaos into clarity.